and welcome to an episode of What's in My Friend's Fridge. You got some jam, premium spread. I don't know what that is. Chocolate truffle, hummus, you know, cheese, a to-go box, more cheese, mustard, pickles, a tub of butter, country crock, sour cream. There's another thing of mustard down here, and then whatever this is. There's more pickles over here. A little jar of pickles this time. A nice wall of dressings here, except for ketchup. That's not a dressing. Teriyaki, debatable. More mustard, and then a fourth thing of mustard up here. So, mustard. More salsa. Another thing of pickles. There's a thing of ranch dressing here and down here. Oh, there's another thing of butter back there. There's two things of butter. Didn't realize that. Tomato, carrot, broccoli.